Dito kami sa playgroup. Wala ko si baby sa land dito. At napaka-busy, sobrang daming kids, which is really good. Do you want mama to hold that lang? Nini, do you want mama to hold that? No? Careful.
A few moments later.
Let me know if you need help. Oh my God, you're so strong. Kakalabas lang namin from playgroup. And this one had a little bit of accident doon sa loob. Yung kitchen na laruan nila, guys. Nilalagay na sana sa kung saan dapat ilagay kasi they're doing the singing part na. And ito, laro pa ng laro with the other, kid. Sus, natagak pa ba na ang nahulog yung kitchen toy, guys. Ni Celine. Ulo ni Celine. Sobrang iyak niya. Kasi may parang may naka-catch ng half. So, hindi talagang yun sa ulo niya. Pero, I think, sobrang siyang natakot ba. Kasi napailaliman siya ng laruan. Sus, wood pa naman yun, anak. Is your head okay, baby? Yeah? Yeah, wala namang bukol na. Wala naman. She seems to be okay. Takot ako, guys. Sobrang iyak niya.
Let's play.
You remember here last time with Ate? What's that? What's that?
The rock.
It's a rock.
Yeah.
No, it's wood.
No, the rock. What rock?
It's wood.
The answer color other ash feet.
Yes.
And let's do this.
Careful. Oopsie. Ate fell down there last time, remember?
And then the one and friends and a friend
Correct.
and friend were so then I went.
Okay. Come na. The car is here. Oh,
No.
let's go.
Maybe my skin. And then my mom is my shoulders was to help me. But grandma helped me. And grandma's helped me. And mommy helped me.
Yeah.
And
Who else helped you? Put it down.
a
Wait.
bucket.
What is it?
A bucket.
Your bucket? Ew! Ew! Lini!
You hold it.
Okay.
Mommy, I make you. You did. I want this. I just you. Help me. I got a big minute. Let's find animal. The stage. The feet. The feet.
Oh.
Just feet. Just feet. Just feet for me. Just feet for
What is
me.
that?
It's a skaters.
Is it skaters?
Yeah.
Wow, what size is this?
This skaters. I put it on my phone.
Oh my goodness. This is actually very cute. Ayan, may susunod na sa yapak ng atin niya. Dalawa na yata silang mag-skate.
At the feet.
I think this is still too big, sweetie.
Yes. It's this.
Still too big, I think.
No, it's not. Mommy,
Oh.
give me up.
Okay, hang on.
That's a feet.
What do you think? Still too big?
No, it's not.
Okay. You say so? Okay.
Mommy, I have my cages.
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's now 12:30 ng hapon. And ngayon lang kami nakauwi ni Baby Celine. Ang aming Baby Louie dito ay kailangan na namin bigyan ng pagkain. Nagugutom na ang baby. Come! Come on! Come on!
Say
Come on!
cheese, Mom.
Come here! Come here! Come here! Have you been a good boy? Have you been a good boy? Look at this baby boy here. Look! Look! That's your food. We're gonna eat now, okay? Okay? Oh, you been a good boy?
He's good boy.
Good boy.
Why do you carry her? Say cheese, Mom.
The cheese here, here.
Say
Look. Yes.
Did it. Louie, when you're hungry,
He is very hungry, honey.
he's happy when hungry.
Very hungry boy. Very hungry boy. A very hungry boy you are, aren't you? What have you been doing? Mama will have a look around. See? A good boy for being on your toilet.
Mom, it's so quiet.
It will be good.
Yo, Louie, I say cheese.
Say cheese, Louie.
I saw my poo-poo. Say cheese.
Is Louie saying cheese?
Yeah. What's Louie?
Wait a minute, Bobby.
Boy.
Oh, ang ating Daddy Mike pala guys ay wala dito. So, wala siyang work today. But pumunta siya ng Gold Coast kasi it's time for his other two teeth, wisdom teeth, na tanggalin. So, remember, a month ago, pumunta kami ng Gold Coast, tinanggal yung dalawa. So, today, the 29th of Feb, tatanggalin yung dalawa din. So, since Ate Paris is going to school, ayaw ni Daddy Mike na miss Ate Paris ng school. So sabi niya, it's okay. So he took public transport papuntang Gold Coast. And I hope he'll be fine because last time he was in agony. Kasi sobrang sakit. And this time daw, not the one that will hurt your eye, baby girl. Sabi ng dentist na bibigyan daw siya ng mas malakas pa na pain reliever.
Mommy said baby.
Because last time, ay, sobrang...
That's no naman.
Oh, baby girl, sit down. Saktan si Daddy Mike. Okay, Louie.
You really wanna help?
Do you want to give the food to Louie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say cheese, Mom.
Say cheese.
I got Mom.
Smiling. I'm smiling now. Did you take photo? Thank you.
What's your mommy working? Mommy working.
Okay. Alright. Give it now to Louis. Come. Oi. Come, 1, 2, ready, go.
Louis.
Hey, Louis.
Louis
Yeah.
eating other.
Yeah. Okay. Yum. Yummy. Mama, get the bag. Good girl.
What?
Leanie's skaters. Yeah, that's too small for you. So you both can do it now. Yes, I can like it.
Hi guys. So now I'm doing my homework, but I'm gonna do my hard words first. But I haven't been doing.
Is that the... So what did the teacher say now? Do you have to write them?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to write?
Yeah.
Great work. Keep practicing these words. Who write that?
And that's probably
Ah, is that how you do it? Like some. Ah, you have to write.
like some
Words. Heart words. List 5.
You have to read this.
So what? You have to probably write it here.
Like. Wait, why do I have these ones? Oh, I have like.
You probably have to. Yeah, write the other words.
See?
You have to start from the red line.
Oopsie.
You have to. What happened to that? Why is that reaching that blue line? Where's your... So, moving kami kaagad guys after pick up namin sa Ate Paris so she can do her homework. Kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike around 4:20 we have to pick him up from the train station. Kasi nga diba nag-commute siya papuntang dentist niya. So, yeah, we have to pick him up soon. Sabi ko uwi na lang muna tayo straight para makapag... Anak ko! Hang on. Gawa ng homework. Do it properly. Yeah, I bet you're sleepy. I had to wake up Lini before. Para pick upin ang kanyang ate. Do it properly lang. It starts from the thing. See that one? Make sure it's inside the line.
I'm sleepy.
Are you sleepy? Okay.
What's your apple?
Oh, look! Oh, nabuak. Alright, I'll put it in the bowl. What do you reckon?
See, berry. Why you broken?
Yeah, broken. It's okay. We're sharing anyways.
Apple.
Mm-hmm.
na? Berry.
Mm-hmm. Why is it like straight and then like that? Don't get too excited, Paris. Do that thing properly. Is it? Sometimes it's not. Depends on the. Yeah, that's right. Okay, why? What's the why? This.
Where's mine? There's a little curl.
Mm-hmm. No, it's over the red line.
There's more ate.
Here's the princess. Num num. This.
No. That high from down.
It's not hide though. It's not hide.
Hid. Zach hid from down. Hide. Cactus tree. Mama says hide. Can we do the song?
No, just do properly.
T. It. K. 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 E. H. R. U. D. G. O. A. O. B. Dad said run. Zach, run.
Ran.
Ran.
Huh?
Dad said stand. Zach stood. Dad said sit. Zach sat. Dad said creep. Zach creeped. Dad said sing. Zach sang. This is very easy, I think. Dad said bed. Zach hid. Zach kept still and waited.
No, it's full stop. So Zach kept still and waited. Not waited.
Dad looked for Zach, but did not see him. Zach grinned.
Good girl. Which one is the... Do you have to sign this? Oh, where's our pen? That's right.
The big how?
So, ito yung mga homework natin guys. So, now we are doing the homework week 6. So, the week 5, ayan. It's at Paris's work. Week 4. Yung mga ganyan. Ito yung ano, math. Hello, so week 6 would be I like jelly.
Same life.
The lion roared loudly because he saw a little mouse. Great sentence. Paris. This one.
Rain, Mom.
Oh, this na thing lang.
Rain.
Ah, you didn't put the thing on here lang.
Oh, yeah.
I see the fish swimming around a big tank. So now that's what you're gonna do, okay?
Hi guys, so we're gonna pick up Daddy now because he's done with his checkup. And I'm gonna show you where he came with us. Let me say hi. Hello, Baby. So he wants to say hi to. You want to say hi to Mimi? So say hi. Hi. And Mama, say hi.
Hi.
She's being so silly. Even my little bush gonna be so silly. So bye. See you later. Say hi, Mom.